Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. It's super easy, and you'll be able to step back from the Instagram while keeping all your precious memories intact. Whether you need a break or want to reevaluate your online presence, I've got you covered. So, grab your phone, and let's get started on your path to digital well-being. Open the Instagram app and click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on horizontal lines at the top. Click on Settings and Privacy. From here, choose the Accounts Center. Scroll down and choose Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation. Choose an account to deactivate. Choose to deactivate the account and continue. Your account will be deactivated temporarily. If you want to reactivate your account, simply log into your account, it will be reactivated. There you have a simple way to deactivate your Instagram account. Thanks for watching.